This 22-inch SYLVOX Smart Recreational Vehicle television delivers crisp, full high-definition resolution that looks far better than the typical small camper screen. Because it runs a Google-based smart platform, you can install major streaming applications and even cast from your phone without needing extra dongles. The built-in digital versatile disc player and stereo high-fidelity speakers make it easy to enjoy movies and music on the road without carrying separate gear. Wide viewing angles and a strong contrast ratio keep the picture clear whether you are watching from the dinette, the bunk, or a side sofa. Its dual-power design accepts both household alternating current and a broad range of direct current voltages, which protects your vehicle wiring and makes it suitable for recreational vehicles, trailers, and boats. A nearly borderless screen, flexible wall or stand mounting, and multiple high-definition multimedia interface and universal serial bus ports give this compact set a clean look and plenty of connectivity for consoles or use as a monitor.